How do human beings affect the oceans? Portal interviews the sea lion. In this Eqafe interview, we get to hear directly from a sea lion explaining and giving perspectives on how our ships, equipment, boats, the sounds that our boats make within the ocean waters directly affect the lives of the sea lion and all the life in the ocean. You know, we focus on plastic bottles, which obviously is pollution. And yes, the pollution is increasing at an alarming rate within our oceans. But also our technologies are affecting the ocean life. And indeed, the very water molecules within the ocean. And you know, this is their home. And we as human beings tend to, firstly, carry on within complete self-interest without considering the home of many species and how it causes a change not only within the water, but then within their environment, within their physical bodies. And this is a fascinating interview. I highly recommend it. It made me look at things and question. You know, I consider myself, say, a caring person. I care about all the animals on the planet. But these can be empty words. I mean, if I care, what am I doing about it? What are we doing about it? Nothing, really. We just carry on and not consider consequence, the great consequence of other life. We're all connected. We can see that on the planet. What we do affects and has consequence in a chain-like effect. We're all linked together as life here in this closed system, this planet called Earth. And, you know, it really made me stop and consider, if I say I care, then really I should be doing something. Otherwise, it's just me saying I care with nothing changing. So that would make me a hypocrite. And it's not something I want to do. Now, we can also consider, I mean, I'm doing one small thing. I do not purchase, I don't wear much makeup very often, but the little I do wear, I do not purchase makeup in which animals are used as guinea pigs to test on, which is much more cruel than I ever thought when I investigated it. But what am I doing about the ocean life? I rarely consider it. It doesn't even come into my mind. So please get this interview, and it will open up a lot of different points within you to introspect and consider. I will place the link for this interview below in the information section.